Here's over 10 things in the iPhone editor that are super useful to know. You can change where you want the slow motion to happen in your slow motion video. So that's at regular speed and then it goes slow, but maybe you wanted it to be slow motion from the beginning. Click edit, and then from here you just drag this thing over and it'll be slow. So where you see the larger increments is where it's going to be slow motion. You can mute a video when you're sending it to people. So sometimes you're saying stupid things in a video that you might not want other people to hear. So just click edit. And then where you see this volume button, just click that and it will no longer have audio in this video. So when you push play, it is completely silent. If you shoot in portrait mode, you can change the blurriness of the photo after you've taken it. So click edit and then click on the f-stop. The lower the number, the more blurry it'll be. The higher the number, it'll be more focused in the background. So sometimes it might not shoot your subject fully in focus. So if you just increase the f-stop, it'll hopefully make it sharp. You can also change the lighting settings within portrait mode. So click edit, and then this thing up here is already highlighted. So you can change, do you want studio lighting, stage, mono? With any of your live photos, you can turn them into a boomerang or long exposure or a loop. So just do that by clicking where it says live. Here is loop. Bounce is basically boomerang. It just goes forward then backwards. And then lastly, we have long exposure. This is cool kind of architect photography style when there's like people walking and the rest is still. If you want to achieve this effect, hold your phone really still when you're taking the photo and only have the person in the shot moving. If you have cinematic mode on your phone, you can also edit the f-stop on that. So click on edit and then f-stop and it will make things more in focus for you. So this is f2. You can see the background's a lot blurrier, but also my son's face is a little blurry. So once I increase it a bit, his face is now in focus. If you have a long video clip and you want to send it to someone, but you don't want to send the whole thing, you just click edit and then you can just select these arrows and trim it. So if you click done, you can save this as a new video clip or you can save it as the existing video. So if you just save it as the existing videos, you can always go in and readjust the length. It doesn't like cut it and it's gone for good. If you shoot in live mode, you can change the key frame of the photo. So click edit, click on this dot down here. And then maybe instead of that awkward me looking at the camera, I want to be kind of looking down at my son. So I just drag it to there and then click make key photo and now that'll be the photo.